go. Once upon a time, in a lush and colorful jungle, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. Leo was the king of the jungle and all the animals respected him. One sunny morning, Leo was taking a nap under a shady tree after a big meal. Nearby, a tiny mouse named Mia was scurrying around, looking for food. As Mia scampered along, she accidentally bumped into Leo's giant paw. Leo, startled and annoyed, woke up with a loud roar. He caught Mia with his paw and was about to gobble her up when Mia squeaked, "Oh mighty Leo, please spare me. I promise I will help you one day if you let me go." Leo was amused by the tiny mouse's plea. He laughed and said, "You think you can help me? Very well, I shall spare you. But remember, a little mouse like you could never help a mighty lion like me." Mia quickly ran away, grateful to be free. Days went by, and Mia didn't forget her promise. One day, Leo found himself in a trap set by hunters. He rode and struggled, but the ropes only tightened around him. Just when Leo thought there was no hope, he heard a familiar squeak. It was Mia. She had remembered her promise and brought her sharp teeth to the rescue. With her tiny but powerful bites, Mia gnawed at the ropes until they finally snapped. Leo was free. Amazed and grateful, Leo looked down at Mia and said, "Little friend, I underestimated your bravery and determination. You have proven that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference." From that day on, Leo and Mia became the best of friends. Leo learned to appreciate the value of all animals, no matter their size. And Mia, well, she had a true friend in the mightiest lion of the jungle. And so, in the heart of the jungle, the lion and the mouse showed everyone that kindness and friendship can come from the most unexpected places. This story teaches children the importance of kindness, friendship, and the idea that even small acts of help can make a big impact.